Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Ignited Medicos. Today we shall learn about metabolism of methionine. Methionine, it is a sulfur-containing glucogenic and an essential amino acid. Metabolism of methionine is studied under following three headings: activation of methionine and transmethylation reaction, conversion of methionine to cysteine, and the degradation of cysteine. Formation of active methionine and cysteine. It includes 7 steps, namely activation of methionine to SAM, that is S-adenosyl methionine, methyl transfer. Third step is the methionine synthesis. Fourth step is the homocysteine formation, and the fifth step is homocysteine degradation. Sixth step is cysteine synthesis, and the seventh step is final oxidation. Now we shall study about the formation of active methionine and cysteine in detail. Step 1. Activation of methionine to S-adenosyl methionine. It requires the presence of methionine adenosyl transferase enzyme. The adenosyl group is transferred from this enzyme to sulfur atom of methionine to form SAM. Here, one molecule of ATP is utilized. Step 2. Methyl transfer. In methionine, the thioester linkage is very stable, whereas in SAM, due to the presence of high energy bond, the methyl group is labile and may be transferred easily to the acceptors. So, methyl group is transferred from S-adenosyl methionine to the acceptor, and hence it forms S-adenosyl homocysteine. Step 3. Methionine synthesis. From the S-adenosyl homocysteine, adenosine group is removed in the presence of adenosine homocysteinase to form homocysteine. The homocysteine form has got two major fates. It can be remethylated to form methionine, or it may be condensed with serine to form cystathione. Homocysteine can be converted to methionine by the addition of methyl group. This requires the enzyme homocysteine methyltransferase with vitamin B12 as coenzyme. Step 5 is the homocysteine degradation. Homocysteine can combine with serine to form cystathione, which is then split into cysteine and homoserine. This requires the presence of cystathione beta synthase with pyridoxal phosphate. Here, one water molecule is removed. The absence of cystathione beta synthase leads to homocysteinuria. Step 6 is the cysteine synthesis. Here, cystathione is hydrolyzed in the presence of cystathionase to form homoserine and cysteine. Step 7 is the final oxidation. Homoserine is first deaminated, that is, ammonia is liberated to form alpha keto hydroxybutyrate. Then alpha keto hydroxybutyrate is decarboxylated to form propionyl coenzyme A. The propionyl coenzyme A then enters into TCA cycle as succinyl coenzyme A, which is then converted to glucose. Hence, methionine is called as glucogenic amino acid. Functions of methionine. Formation of protein. Like all other amino acids, methionine is also used in the formation of proteins. It is the first amino acid to be incorporated during protein synthesis. Methionine can give rise to cysteine. As we have studied earlier, methionine undergoes degradation to form homocysteine, which later condenses with serine and undergoes successive reactions to form cysteine. Methionine is required for the synthesis of SAM, that is S-adenosyl methionine. SAM is required for various transmethylation reactions. Now we shall study about transmethylation. Transmethylation is the process in which methyl group is donated from SAM in the presence of methyltransferase enzyme to the methyl acceptor to form methylated products, and SAM itself gets converted to SAH. Important products formed from transmethylation reactions are creatine. Guanidoacetate is methylated by SAM to form creatine. Creatine phosphate is a high energy phosphate in muscle. Formation of epinephrine. Norepinephrine is methylated by SAM in presence of methyltransferase to form epinephrine. Formation of choline. Methylation of ethanoylamine formed by decarboxylation of serine produces choline. Some of the other important methylated products include N-methyl nicotinamide, metanephrine, normetanephrine, melatonin, methyl histidine and methyl lysine. Thanks for watching.